Changing your domain name in System.io is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Log into your System.io account. Visit System.io and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. From the dashboard, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to Domains. In the Settings menu, click on Domains under the General section. Add new domain. If you want to change your domain completely, click Add Domain. Enter your new domain name. Verify domain ownership. System.io will prompt you to verify domain ownership. This is typically done by adding a DNS record to your domain registrar. Follow the instructions provided by System.io for adding the DNS records to your domain registrar settings. Set as primary domain. After your domain is verified, you can set it as your primary domain by clicking Set as Primary next to the new domain. Update funnel or website settings. Finally, update your funnels or websites to use the new domain.